I am in trouble. My late brother's son, Ikenna, is coming back tomorrow. I know he is coming to ask me stupid questions. And if he do, I will not answer him. He is coming back to take everything that belongs to his father. But I won't let that happen. Yes. His father is late. I am in charge now. I supposed to tell him what to do and what not to do. I am not afraid. Let him come back. I am waiting for him. Nonsense.
What are you doing, sir? Ikenna is coming back to me.
Oh my God, thank God. I'm so happy. I've seen him on copper stress.
The reason why he's coming back is to come and claim on his father's property. And this house was built by his late father. So if you claim everything, we are finished too. We have nowhere to go.
Papa, are you sure?
Yes.
What then do you want us to do?
If he comes back, don't near him. Stay away from him. You see, that boy, he will poison you. Don't near him. Don't discuss anything with him. He's poisonous. And remember, Ikenna is not your brother. I'll go and continue what you are doing.
Anybody? Who is in this house? Ndidi! Ndidi! Ha! Where is doctor? Uncle! I should know my way out.
Brother Ikenna. I'm so happy that you came back.
I'm telling you.
Look at you. That camp, eh? It's really good though.
Let me tell you something. Do you know that one being a copper is very, very sweet?
Hi, this camp is good on
In the camp, if I tell you what happened there,
Hi.
you see military men. Military men will be teaching you some practices, you know.
Yeah.
I am telling you, it's very, very sweet.
I can't wait though.
Let me tell you, I enjoyed that camp. When I was in camp, there is this military man. Do you know what he always call me? Otondo Copper. He always call me Otondo Copper. I'm telling you. Hi, that NYSC camp. You know it's a national camp. With that uniform, you can enter anywhere you want to enter, speak to whoever you want to speak to. Nobody will stop you. Even the policemen, when they see you, they will tell you, sure, Copper, sure. You say Ajwaya. Now, if you see me, whenever I'm passing, people will be calling me Copper, Ajwaya, sure. Let me tell you, just pray to God that one day you will be on copper uniform. It's very, very sweet though.
I can't wait though. I can't wait.
Indeed, I know.
Ndidi. Ndidi.
As in, I can't wait.
It's not sweet, though.
Ndidi.
Papa is coming.
Ndidi. Where is this guy?
Papa.
Ndidi.
Papa.
What are you doing inside?
I was discussing with my brother.
Huh? Who is your brother?
Iken, of course.
He got of us. I want you to stay away from that boy. That boy is poisonous. He's going to poison you. I have told you several times. Ikenna is not your brother.
Oh, Papa. Ikenna is my only brother.
See, let me warn you. For the last time, any day, I will see both of you or hear both of you stay together discussing. I'm going to disown you.
Hi.
This is your last warning to you. Now get inside.
Yes, the one reason why I came is because everything is documented here. You sold 4 plots of land when I was in school. You sold it to Mr. Ikem Adigo. Each plot is 1.5 million. When you calculate it, approximately, it will give you 6 million naira. You sent 200,000 to my account, which I am aware. Now, I demand an explanation what you did with 5-point-something million.
You demand explanation from me?
Yes.
So if I sell any of my property, I should come and explain to you. Is that what you mean?
No, which of them is your land? Akuma, don't even think you can intimidate me just because my father is late. Please, I need a total explanation about that money. Look at our house. You did not renovate it. Fence that we talked about, you did not fence the house. Now tell me, what did you do?
It's none of your business. Every time your father, you know that your father was my elder brother. And now he's late. All what belongs to him belongs to me.
You are a liar.
So I will do whatever I like with them.
It's a lie.
You will not come and tell me what I will do in my house.
You are a liar.
Do you hear me clear?
You are a liar. You are a liar. This land that we are talking about now is my father's property. I demand an explanation what you did with the money. That was then, no. You cannot intimidate me now just because my father is late. I am now a graduate. Thank God, everything is documented here. If you try any nonsense with me, I am going to take these documents to the police station and they will get you arrested. You will be in the police net. Tell me what you did with this money. Tell me exactly what you did with this money.
Okay, I'm mocking me because I don't have a major.
Who said so? Have you seen it? Why is it that your mind is diversifying? You have a devastated mind. That is the reason why you are talking this nonsense. You don't have a male child. Is that my business? What do I owe you? All I need from you is that explanation. What you did with my father's money. I'm listening.
Tell me, next time you ask me this type of thing.
I should leave this place. Oh, Akuma, I should leave this place. I'm not leaving no. Until you tell me everything that happens. Obina, the reason why I called you is because my uncle is just like a bone on my neck. Do you understand me? He's just a bone on my neck. We had an agreement. We sold our land worth of 6 million naira. And the agreement is that he's going to take 3 million while I take 3. Now, when I was in school, He sent only 200,000 to my account.
200 what?
Thousand.
Only?
Yes. I'm telling you. As I'm talking to you now, he is owing me 2.8 million. I want him to give me that money, but he refused. I suggest I should take this case to police station. The more reason why I called you is to advise me. I don't know what to do again. I don't know what to do. I am tired of all these troubles.
Ikenna, you know you're my friend.
Yes.
And I've been in this village for long. We've been doing things together right from childhood.
Yes.
You taking this case to the police custody, it's somehow, it looks as if you're neglecting our Umunnas. I suggest you take this case to the Umunna first, since you have the documents on how it's spent, as in on how you guys sold the land, all the old expenses it did, and how much is sent to you when you were in school.
Yes.
I suggest you take it to them first. Then if they don't have anything to say about it, then I personally, Obinna, will bring out time, then take you to the police custody myself, then report it to them. I believe they will do something, they will act faster about this case. If they can't do anything about it, I'll bring out myself. I'll go with you to the police custody to report. Because you going there now, the woman now will be against that your idea. You're my good friend, Ikenna.
Thank you very much. That shows you are somehow a village boy. You see, sometimes education is not all.
You're calling me a village boy
No,
because you went to school and Ikenna.
I'm not calling you a village boy.
No, you know you're my good friend.
Yes.
And I cannot see where you're feeling bad and just run away.
Okay, don't worry. I think that is what I will do. That is what I will do. Thank you very much.
I guess I'll be on my way now.
If you don't give me this money, what? Give me that money now. Give me that money now.
Come. What's the matter? What's wrong?
What? I kept money on the table. She went and stole my money. She stole my money. Then indeed, to give me my money.
Is that why you want to kill my daughter for me? Which 5,000 naira? You are not yet working. So where do you get the money from?
What is your business? Do you know this is a stupid question? Why ask me that question? Tell her to give me my money. I'm going to wound her. Give me my money, oh.
See, let me tell you. You are leaving this house tomorrow. You are leaving this house tomorrow. Tomorrow you are leaving. You will go back.
Which house?
You will go back from where you come.
Which house? Are you crazy?
If I see you here tomorrow, I'm going to send you to heaven.
Let me tell you. Before you send me to heaven, I will send you first. This house belongs to my father and it is mine.
Which is your father?
Instead of me leaving this house, both of you leave.
Who is your father? The dead one or the living one? Who gave this house to your father?
You are talking nonsense. You are mad.
No. If you dare touch her again, if you dare touch her now, I will definitely send you to heaven. Now, not even tomorrow. What do you mean?
If you don't give me my money, you see what I'm going to do to you. I swear to God, I'm going to kill you in this house.
You are leaving this house tomorrow. Is that clear? Ikenna, you are going out.
As you can see, I'm going out.
I went to that farmland behind the Ibekwe's house, and all the palm trees there was cut down. Who did that?
I did.
Why?
Why are you asking me this stupid question? Huh? Yesterday, I told you to give me money for my transportation. You said you don't have any money.
Then if I don't have money, what do you want me to do?
Yes! I went to that land. I saw those palm fruits. They are wasting there. I decided to cut them. Moreover, I need money for my transportation.
And let me warn you, any day I see your legs inside that farmland, or any of them, I'm going to cut you into pieces. Not even to cut your legs, but I'll cut you into pieces. Do you hear me clear?
Let me ask you a question. This land that we are talking about now, who owns that land?
It's my land. It belongs to me.
Your land?
Yes.
Do you know you're a thief? An international thief
You
for
mean,
that matter.
yeah, you mean I
You're a
myself?
criminal. You deserve to be in police net. The land that belongs to my father, you are here talking rubbish.
Who is your father? The dead one or the living one? Who gave the land to your father?
Please don't insult my father. Don't insult my late father, because if you do, I am going to hit you. I'm going to punch you here. Before you lose, I will punch you. Let me tell you.
Any other day I will see your legs cross there, I will cut you into pieces.
I am not afraid of you. I am not afraid of you. No, you should know my father too well. You know my father. Let me tell you. When he was alive, he was not a coward. I am the real son of my father. If the crocodile can eat his egg, tell me what is going to do to the flesh of the toad.
Your father was not a coward, but you are a coward. And I'm not a real good female. Any other day, I will see your legs inside that farmland or any of them at all. I'm going to cut you into pieces.
I'm not afraid of you.
But if you want to try me, let me see your legs inside.
Like I don't have your time.
We shall see.
We shall see.
Nonsense.
We shall see.
Nonsense. We shall see. We shall see. Nonsense.